Joining me on the phone line is BJP Shehzad Poonawalla. Shehzad, since morning you've been speaking on this issue, but what the Aam Aadmi Party is claiming is this, that the BJP is deliberately pushing whether the ED or the Delhi police against them, want to get them arrested and then topple the Delhi government. What would you say to that charge?
पूजा, इट इज सो स्ट्रेंज। जब आरोप इन पे लगता है तब भी ये भाग जाते हैं और जब आरोप ये लगाते हैं तब भी ये भाग जाते हैं। भाई, आरोप लगा ईडी के द्वारा तब भी भाग रहे हैं, आप जांच में साथ नहीं दे रहे। एंड दे हैव पुट एलिगेशन दैट बीजेपी इज ट्राइंग टू ब्रेक देयर एमएलए। In fact, they had put this allegation last year, August 2022 also, that 800 crore rupees has been kept and they're going to break our party, and we have audio tape. पूजा शाली जी, आज तक वो ऑडियो टेप आया सामने? They said IB रिपोर्ट आई है, गुजरात चुनाव जीत रहे हैं। They have made allegations about Gadkari ji, Arun Jaitley ji, for which they had to apologize. So this time, because BJP has integrity, it has said that we are ready for any probe. Let's have the probe. Let's see where the MLAs are, who MLAs were approached by us. Let us put it in public domain. So instead of putting the proof out, now Mr. Kejriwal and Atishi are running away after hit and run. Oh,
what do you think this will result in, Shehzad? Because with Lok Sabha elections approaching, two of his mantris already inside prison, one Rajya Sabha MP as well, Sanjay Singh, and now allegations surfacing against Arvind Kejriwal and Atishi as well. How does this reflect on the Delhi government? Do you think he should respond to the summons right away? Because he says it's just a ploy to get him arrested.
First of all, this victimhood card has to be thrown into the dustbin because even the Congress party says and has done a press conference that Arvind Kejriwal is corrupt in the Sharab Ghotala and no court has given relief to Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh and Vijay Nair. That's issue one. On issue two, Pooja, if they keep claiming that the BJP is breaking them and then the BJP itself says, chalo, let's prove it where we are breaking you. And then they say, no, we will not give the proof, we will not cooperate in the investigation, we will not give the audio tape. Then that means the allegation is a false allegation and that has been exposed today because of the way they are running.
So would it be better for Arvind Kejriwal at least to start responding to the summons appear before the ED? Because otherwise the allegations that they've been making, now the BJP said, how can you make an allegation targeting us without any evidence? Shehzad Poonawalla, thank you very much for joining us on that.